These two spinning tops were 3D printed using PLA filament. They were then painted light gray. They are of different designs so we could see which one spins better. The final result of the two spinning tops are shown here.
In CNC machining, the machine is programmed to identify the original dimensions of the workpiece. Then, material is slowly removed until the final design is achieved.
To make the platform, we laser cut pieces of wood and then fit them together and secured them with glue. After that, we applied a light coat of varnish.
For slip casting, the first thing we need is slip molds. So right here we have a mold of the chest pieces we're going to do. Bring them together, make sure they match, and then you're going to close them together with a strong rubber band, and it will look something kind of like this. So that will hold the two halves of the mold together, and right in this hole is where we're going to pour the slip. Here we have our slip, which is just some liquid clay. And we're going to pour it into these holes. Just to the top. We have now filled in all of our molds with slip, and now we just have to wait about 15 minutes for the outer shell to dry, and then we can pour out the slip. Now that the outer layer has dried, as you can see, we're going to pour out the slip that's still in there. We're just gonna leave them to dry for a day. So now that we have waited a day for them to dry, we can remove them from the mold. And there we are. We have the little shapes, and now we can remove them from the mold. They're still a little wet, which will allow for shaping them. While they're still wet, we can trim out this part. Now that we're done with our slip casting pieces, they are ready to be fired.
Here, the advanced material removal process, known as laser cutting, is used to engrave a piece of wood with the checkerboard pattern.